We have to look at nature as a business. And the business is the capital, just like any corporation. So we really need to allow nature to do its job and only live off the interest produced by nature. Young people need to literally understand how nature works in order to protect it well, and then they can bring that message to their parents. But what I would say is understand that nature is your life support system, and if you treat it well, it's going to treat you well. And I have very much felt that we needed to do these children's educational programs, whether it was the Sustainable Reef or Sustainable Rainforest or the Ambassador program with young people, because those are the ones that absorb it, never forget, and then when they get to be bigger, they will make better decisions. And I can tell you, one of the most exciting things which Brazilians should realize, you're the freest country in the world because you have your own energy sources, you don't depend on other countries, and you can make your own decisions. And I'm amazed that this country has that kind of level of freedom and don't totally take advantage of it.